Metal workers producing car parts. You don't need to hit the gym for this workout. The workers follow a preset program to finish the job as planned. After 10 years of packing sauce, he's confident he won't drop any outside. A job relying on the nimbleness of hands. The technician had to cut the cylinders beforehand to create an easy-to-make hole in the wall. The master who created a perfect circle. The truth is, workers painted it, not machines. With a water pipe, you can quickly remove leaves. Let's see the window bar bending process. He found a cheaper way to level the land. So we've been deceived all along thinking that the house was roofed with tiles. This technician is applying the first layer of skin to the prosthetic limb. He doesn't miss a beat with those skilled hands. Cutting off scrap threads before recycling them. The farmer makes the rice field full of scum look fresh again. Creating a natural irrigation system doesn't have to be too labor-intensive. Under the man's hand the carpet is restored to look like new. Science hit the mark when proving that lazy people can be smart ones. The fire blazed brightly like New Year's Eve fireworks. With a single impact he can free the frozen fish from their cramped confinements. This technique ensures even spread of glue without wastage. Wow! This is hands down the coolest way to get rid of excess mortar on the wall. No machines needed. These skilled hands are crafting a giant pottery pot. Dividing the wooden board into smaller parts makes it easier to cut.
Do you love cheese? Do you want to add the rich, delicious flavor of cheese to your dishes? However, slicing cheese by hand can cause you many difficulties. The birth of the cheese processing line marked a great step forward in the food industry. It promotes the development of the dairy industry, creates many jobs, and contributes to economic growth. Rhythmically and precisely, each plastic bag is formed, measured, filled with product, sealed at the edges and stacked. Soon, a series of square, neat packages were ready for the journey to consumers. Beans, grains, and flour packaging machines are an indispensable part of the food production and packaging process. By fine-tuning and adjusting parameters such as package size, weight, and packaging method, the machine ensures that each product package is packaged accurately and securely. Vertical packaging machines are an incredible advancement in packaging technology, especially when applied to packaging ground coffee in vacuum bags and square-bottom bags. In this way, the machine not only ensures convenience in preserving coffee, but also optimizes storage space in the cabinet. The Stubbly Scour robot is used to stack poker chips in a toy factory. This robot can stack poker chips quickly and accurately, helping to improve production.